Zodwa blasts claims that DJ Tira is pimping her. Zodwa Wabantu and her boss, DJ Tira's relationship has come under scrutiny, yet again, with social media users accusing the music boss of pimping her. Tira got tongues wagging on social media after he shared a picture of Zodwa at their birthday party over the weekend with her bum completely exposed. Fans on social media accused Tira of pimping Zodwa to make money out of her being willing to not wear underwear. Zodwa told She's Alive that this couldn't be further from the truth and that she is happy with the relationship they have. DJ Tira is not pimping me. I do what I want. This is business and Tira is my boss. If he was my pimp, I would be happy to just sit around acting stupid and drinking, but no, this is business. If he makes money from Zodwa, I get the money from him. He is my boss, but at the end of the day we do business together and I make my money and I go. My birthday was my business and I worked with Tira to arrange it. We worked together, she said. The dancer said she did not know why people had an agenda against Tira, but it didn't bother her at all. She added that all she was interested in was making money so that she can retire from the industry. Zodwa also slammed claims that she's a bad role model for young girls, saying that she is not trying to change the world.
Yeah.